Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as usual, the days don't seem to go quite as you plan. Now I was originally going to go down with Tam to pick up a load of the bits and pieces, but we had the electricians come out from the building company. They had to reconnect the hob because we had a faulty hob from IKEA. So he's been out and reconnected that, so Muggins here had to stay and do that. Now Tam's been down with her niece and her husband, and they picked up some chairs and bits and pieces, as you can see. Oh my god, wonder what that was then. It's a mango falling onto the roof. So I'm going to give these a good jet wash. There is the sign for the old sign, what we used before for the restaurant. So I expect you can see that. And yeah, I'll get cracking, clean this. Tam's gone off down to get some more bits, and then we'll start putting them in where she wants them and stuff. So yeah, so let's get cracking, do a bit of jet washing. Guys, second delivery of the day. We got a load of the tables and stuff come up, so I'll a few more bits. Nice big pot over there for Tam's noodles and stuff. So I'll get busy unloading this, and then we'll start putting it in there, I think. All right?
Yeah.
So another big load coming tomorrow, is it?
Yeah, bigger one, fridge, everything.
Yeah, fridges, freezers, everything arrive tomorrow. So. Right, we'll get this unpacked and I'll get this bit jet washed, and we'll get it in there. Hi guys, just a follow-on post from yesterday. There wasn't a huge amount of content yesterday, so I thought, well, I won't post it up, and today I'll do a double day. So we'll pop down, I'll have a quick look, just show you what we've been up to this morning down here. We've got a load more kit arriving today. Guy's bringing it up in a bigger truck, so should have most of the fridge freezers and stuff here today, glass fronted fridges. But I'll pop you down there, let's have a quick look and show you where we are at the moment. Get through the gate as usual. Tam's busy sorting out a few bowls and bits and pieces. Right. Oh, very nice. Bit posh. Right, Anne. So yeah, she's busy sorting out a few bits like that. Now we've she just wanted to tidy it up a bit, so we put a few of these Shell mobiles up all the way through. These were given to us by our amazing friend on Colipe. She sent them over, they arrived yesterday. So Hong, if you are watching, thank you very, very much. They are very beautiful, and they look great in here. So thank you very much for sending them over for the house and the restaurant. So you got one more over here. So yeah, basically today most of the other kit's going to be arriving. So we've got we've got the table and chairs and all in here. We're not sure whether this is going to be the final layout yet or not. We just sort of dunked it in here really just to see how it all fits. So, and then most important thing, got the sub-zero freezer so we can have frozen beer. You know, if you ain't got that, then you know, you got a bit of frozen beer. I do like it. So that one's in. It's not full up with beer yet either, just so you're aware. No beer in there at all, not even switched on yet. We're waiting on the license before we put any alcohol in here whatsoever. So yeah, so I'll keep you updated a bit throughout the day, and just let you know what we're going on with. And yeah, we'll catch you in a bit. Alright guys, what I popped down, we've been messing around down here most of the day, just different layouts and bits and pieces. I don't think we're quite finished with it all yet, but I just thought I'd take you for a quick wander around and just have a quick look, just to show you what's going on. So I think we've decided that the one fridge is going to go in here. That'll have all soft drinks, stuff like that in it, maybe a few bottles of beer in there as well. We got obviously a sub-zero fridge which we've moved to this side, which I think is going to be better this side. Over here we're going to have, well, we got another delivery of stuff coming shortly. I'm just waiting for it. So we have another fridge freezer here and a chest freezer here. I think Tam's on about putting here like a little station so she can make like iced teas, coffees, bits and pieces there. And also I know she's planning on selling like little like pork balls and sausages and stuff on sticks and other bits and pieces. So there's going to be another unit here. I'm not sure what's going here yet. Like I said, I'm leaving it completely up to her to decide. But she's dug out her posh, her old bowls. So, obviously old coconut ones. The old chopsticks as well. And there's spoons and all sorts, but yeah. So she started digging out some of her kit ready. I know she spent most of the day cleaning all these bowls. She's got loads of them, so I know she spent most of the day cleaning them. But they have got, Tom was showing me, they've got like some of them have got holes in, like that. They got a couple of little holes in, and that is, so you can actually put your noodle sticks in there like that, you see. And a bowl of goodness that will be, I can assure you of that. Yeah, so yeah guys, I didn't put a post up yesterday. Main reason for that was there wasn't a lot really that happened. Everything's obviously slowed down and we've been out and about picking up all the stuff. So we're getting there slowly. We're getting there slowly. I might update you tomorrow again, or I might leave it a couple of days. Bit more progress, so we'll leave it at that. So yeah, thank you very much guys for tuning in and following the build of the restaurant. It is much appreciated. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, that's about it for today's vlog. Anyway, so we'll see you on the next one. So take it easy guys. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.